Hello dear multicellular organisms, welcome back to our botany class. In today's our botany class, we are going to discuss an activity that is sunlight is necessary for the photosynthesis purpose to prepare the reserved food material that is called starch by the plants. So here we knew sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and minerals, chloroplast, chlorophyll and different types of chemicals which are required for the photosynthesis known as raw materials or photosynthetic factors. So here photosynthetic factors two types. Few factors are available outside of the plant body and few factors are already which are located or present inside the plant body. So these are the external and internal factors. So coming to the sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and minerals, these all are known as external factors. And the chemicals, especially RUBP, chlorophyll, these both are comes under internal factors. So now let's see, by doing an activity, we can prove that the external factor, that is sunlight, is necessary for the photosynthesis to prepare the starch. Without sunlight, there is no preparation of starch. Let's see. So here, first of all, we will go through the required materials for the photosynthesis. Fresh and de-starched, matured leaves, plant, potted plant, and petri dish, iodine solution or betadine solution, dropper, black paper, and clips, etc. These are the required materials. So let me go through the procedure. We have to take the fresh and healthy matured leaves potted plant, and the plant should be de-starched before the experiment. So the plant should be kept in the dark room few days, up to 1 week or 10 days. Then automatically the starch content present inside the leaves will be utilized by the plant, so that is called de-starch. De-starch in the sense we are not removing the starch from the leaves, we are making the plant to utilize the starch present inside the leaves, and we are making free of starch this plant. That is known as de-starching of plant. So if we won't perform the de-starching process, then quick result we are unable to get in the experiment. So to get the quick result within 2 or 4 hours, we must de-starch the plant, everybody remember. So after taking the de-starched potted plant, we have to select the broad leaf of the potted plant. The potted plant should be containing broad leaves. That is also one of the necessary condition. After selection, we have to take one black paper, whether it is a completely black or else designed one, any one design, our wish that is. So fix the black paper on the middle of the leaf surface, on the lamina, adaxial surface, in the sense the surface which is exposing to the sunlight, upper surface or adaxial surface. With the help of clips, the paper should be placed or fixed properly without the disturbance of the leaf. So after fixing, the plant should be kept in the sunlight for 2 or 4 hours. So this is set A, and set B also we have to prepare. That prepared set B should be kept in the dark room, absence of sunlight. So after 2 or 4 hours, we have to separate or pluck the leaf from the plant body, and we have to remove the clips and black paper, and these collected leaf should be transferred onto the petri dish for the starch experiment. So here, before transferring the leaf onto the petri dish, we have to boil the leaf by using the different chemicals and by following the different methods in the form of procedure. That entire process comes under an activity, one more activity. That activity we will be discussed in next video. So after doing those all processes, the leaf should be transferred onto the petri dish. If we add with the help of dropper the iodine drops or betadine drops on the entire surface of the lamina of the leaf. So here exactly the square shaped where the black paper is fixed, that part doesn't turns into blue to black color. The remaining entire part will be turns into blue to black color. So here why the part is not turning into the color in the sense, here the starch is absent. Except this part, remaining entire lamina of the leaf is exposed to the sunlight, then the sunlight entered into the leaf and it helped in the preparation of starch by the leaf. So here we have fixed the black paper. This black paper is prevented the photons or sun rays entering into the part of the leaf, because here due to the absence of sunlight, photosynthesis is absent. I mean starch preparation is absent, dear multicellular organisms. So this experiment is also known as black paper experiment. So to prove sunlight is necessary, we can conduct this experiment, or it is also known as black paper experiment. So finally we can conclude that sunlight is a necessary factor, the main factor for the photosynthesis. So in next one more video, we will meet with one more beautiful topic, dear multicellular organisms. Good luck.